Today we're removing the front door panel to replace the JBL speaker on a Toyota Sienna. With your pry bar, start at the front top edge of the door panel and pry the small circular panel screw cover from the door panel. This will access one screw. Remove this screw. With our Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove the screw from the door lock, door open handle. With the screw removed, we're going to pry the back edges of this panel up and down at the door lock and door open handle. This should release several clips, allow you to push this panel towards the back of the door panel. This will release a clip at the front of it that secures the front edge, and we can release this over the door lock and door handle and remove it from the door panel. With our pry bar or finger pressure, we're going to lift the back edge of this panel across the armrest up to release clips. This panel will pull up and remove. This is going to give access to two mounting screws here in the openings, one towards the middle of the armrest and one towards the front of the armrest. With these two screws removed, we're going to take our pry bar and pry the front edge of the control panel up. Once the front edge of the control panel is released, we want to grasp this panel and pull it towards the front of the door, releasing the rear tongue that's on it underneath the panel. Lift it up out of the opening. There are several connectors here, more on the driver's side than passenger side, but these connectors all have triggers on them that you squeeze into the connector to release and remove. They are also keyed, so they only fit back to one specific spot. With these connectors all removed, you can take this panel and set it to the side. With our pry bar, we're going to start at the bottom front edge of the door panel, prying the panel from the door, releasing clips, working our way across the bottom and front and back edges of this panel. This will allow you to pull the bottom of the panel back away from the door while lifting the back edge up out of the window jamb, followed by the front edge. We're going to pull the top edge of the panel back because we still have the courtesy light on this panel. Locate the connector and trigger, release this connector and remove the door panel. As usual, we're going to check the door to be sure all clips are removed with the door panel. Pry these clips from the door panel and place them back in their corresponding spots on the door panel. They clip in, ready for installation. Upon inspection of the speaker here, we found that the JBL foam surround has separated, causing distorted sound at this speaker. We're going to remove the screws securing it to its mount, release the connector, and replace the speaker. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.